Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Stand facing slightly to the right for the first 8 counts. Turn to face the camera as you bring your left arm up vertically and move your right arm so that it is across your chest. Bend your left knee twice as you move your arm slightly to the right and curl your fingers in twice. Lower your left arm and bring your right arm up vertically, then bend your right knee twice as you move your right hand in twice. Wait 1 count, then slide your right foot back a bit as you twirl your right hand up near your right shoulder before quickly stepping in front of your right foot with your left foot and pointing to the left with your right hand. Cross your right foot over your left foot as you bring your right arm up with your elbow bent and your palm facing in. Then cross your left foot over your right foot and bring your left arm up in the same manner. Cross your right foot over your left foot again and turn your arms in, then extend them straight out to either side. Turn to the left until you are facing to the right, but look at the camera and bring both arms up with your elbows bent. Then step back on your right foot as you slide your left foot back until it is next to your right foot and move your arms forward and down. Clap once, then step over to the right with your right foot as you bend both elbows, bringing your left arm in front of you. Move your arms down, then back up as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step over to the left with your left foot and bend your elbows again, bringing your right arm in front of you, then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you clap once more. While facing to the left, bend both elbows so that your left elbow is angled up and your right elbow is angled down. Step toward the camera with your right foot as you switch the positions of your arms. Switch the positions of your arms again as you begin bringing your right foot back in, then turn to face the camera and clap once as your right foot steps down next to your left foot. Do this move in the opposite direction, but don't clap. Do these arm movements twice while facing to the left, and step out with your right foot twice. Turn away from the camera and step forward on your left foot as you swing your right arm in and down. Step forward with your right foot as you throw your arms out to either side, then turn to the left until you are facing the camera again, and step forward on your right foot as you bring your left arm up. Lower your left arm and step forward on your left foot, bringing your toes up as you swing your right arm down. Step back on your left foot, then step behind your left foot with your right foot. Kick out with your right foot as you hop on your left foot, then bring your right foot down over to the right before bringing your left foot down behind it and moving your left arm in. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. As you bend your elbows, bringing your left arm in front of you, then repeat this step in the opposite direction. Cross your right foot over your left foot again as you extend your arms straight out to either side, Then lower your arms as you turn to the left until your back is to the camera. Step in place on your left foot. Step over to the right with your right foot as you move your right arm out and down, then step back in with your right foot. Repeat this move on the left, but bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Bring your right hand up, then slowly lower it. Keep your back to the camera for the first 8 counts of this section. Cross your right foot over your left foot, then turn to the left until you are facing the camera. Step out to the right with your right foot as you bring your right arm up with your elbow bent and your index finger extended, then move your hand in as you tilt your head to the right, then bring your right foot back in. Repeat this move on the left, then bring both hands up so that they are slightly above your head before moving them down as you wiggle your fingers. Keeping your elbows and wrists bent, move your arms so that your left arm is angled up and your right arm is angled down and both hands are pointing in as you look down and to the right. Turn your hands so that they are pointing outward, then turn them back in as you move your arms so that they are across from each other before turning them out again. Now angle your right arm up and your left arm down and look down and to the left as you turn your hands out again. Keeping your elbow bent, bring your right arm up with your palm facing in, then do the same on the left. Bring both hands in near your chest as you look down, then look back up and move your arms out and down. Spin your hands up so that they are on either side of your head with your palms facing out as you step forward on your right foot and lean forward. Bring your right foot back to meet your left foot and lower your arms. Bring your left knee up so that it is pointing to the right, then move it down a bit, then back up and over to the left. Bring your left foot down, then repeat this move to the right. When you bring your right foot down, twirl one hand around the other a few times before leaning down and to the right, with your right arm extended down and your left knee bent. Bring your right hand up, then swing it down and to the left as you step behind your left foot with your right foot, then step in place on your left foot. Extend both arms out to either side as you step back over to the right with your right foot, then bend your elbows to bring your hands in front of your chest. Bend your knees and look down as you move your arms up over your head, then look up and stand back up as you lower your arms. Hop back slightly on your right foot, then step to the right on your left foot as you swing your right arm down and to the left. Lower your arm as you step over to the right on your right foot, then step over to the left on your left foot as you bring your left arm up before bringing your right foot over to meet your left foot, turning to the right and bringing your right arm up. Bring your left arm up again as you move your right foot out with your toes pointing up, then bring your right foot back in before stepping out with your left foot and bringing your right arm up. Step over to the right with your right foot so that your back is to the camera as you swing your right arm up and back, then pivot on your left foot as you turn to the right so that you are facing the camera, and step out with your right foot again. Bring your left arm up as you step behind your right foot with your left foot, then step in place on your right foot before stepping back to the left with your left foot. Step behind your left foot with your right foot, then step in place on your left foot before stepping back out to the right with your right foot. Kick out slightly with your left foot and extend your arms out to either side before bringing your foot back down and moving your hands in near your chest so that your elbows point out to either side. Take 3 steps forward, starting on the right foot and clapping on the last step. hands up above your shoulders as you step in place on your left foot, then bring your hands down before bending your elbows to bring your left arm in front of you and your right arm behind you as you bend your knees outward. Kick forward with your left foot, then bring your right foot off the ground before your left foot comes back down. After your right foot comes back down, step over to the right on your right foot as you twirl your right hand up near your shoulder and slide your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step over to the left on your left foot and slide your right foot over to meet it as you point over to the right with your right hand. Lift your right knee and left arm up, then step over to the right on your right foot and lower your arm before bringing your left foot over to meet your right foot. Now bring your left knee up, then step over to the left on your left foot before you curve your right arm over your head, look to the left, and step behind your left foot with your right foot. Face the camera again and lower your arm as you kick out with your right foot, then hop slightly to bring your left foot up as well. When your left foot comes down, it should be slightly ahead of your right foot. Twirl your hands up near your shoulders again. Bring your fists down near your chest so that your elbows are pointing out to either side before moving your elbows up twice. Put your right hand on your chest and push your chest out, then slump slightly to bring your chest back in. Punch down into the left with your right fist as you step back on your right foot, then lower your arm as you cross your left foot over your right foot. Step over to the left on your left foot, then turn to the left so that your back is to the camera as you step over with your right foot. Turn to the left again so that you are facing the camera as you step over with your left foot again, then bring your right foot over to meet it. With your left foot forward slightly, twirl your right hand up near your shoulder, then do the same on the left before crossing your arms in front of your face. Keeping your elbows bent, move your arms out to either side, then lower your fists before pulling your fists and your elbows up. Point to the left with your right hand as you step back on your right foot, then point to the right as you step back on your left foot. Point at the camera as you bring your right foot back to meet your left foot. Look to the right and swing your left arm down and to the right as you step behind your right foot with your left foot, then repeat this move in the opposite direction. Kick out with your right foot as you extend your right arm straight up, then hop slightly to bring your left foot up as well, and lower your hand as you land with your left foot ahead of your right foot. Bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you clap once, then step forward on your right foot as you extend your left arm up and to the left and your right arm down and to the right. Bring your right foot and arms back in, then repeat this move in the opposite direction before swinging your arms up and out. Step out slightly with your left foot as you point at the camera with your right hand, then point straight up and look up before bringing your left arm up as well, and then moving your arms out and down. Keeping your elbow bent, motion backwards with your right hand twice as you tap your left foot down behind your right foot twice. Point at the camera with your right hand again as you kick out with your left foot, then jump to bring your right foot up as well. Step over to the right on your right foot and look in the same direction, then put your left hand on your head and lean slightly to the left. Repeat sections 2 and 3 of part 1.